afternoon, Stamp Chasers. We're coming to you live from TRS, Yucatan, and Riviera Maya, which is one of the Palladium Resort Hotel's newest properties. We're here for the Travel Professional Master Experience. But before too much more time went by, we wanted to wish everyone celebrating a birthday in June a very, very happy birthday and wishing you many, many more. And also wanted to announce the winner for our May Travel Swag giveaway. But first, I want to say, in order to qualify for this contest, you have to, 1, be 18 years or older, 2, you have to be a member of this group, the Stamp Chasers group, and 3, you have to be the one to post your birthday and the month and day that we're currently in. So for the month of May, we had only 2 good entries, which was Tashie and myself. My birthday was May 25th. But of course, I can't win my own prize, so Tashie George will be the winner for the May swag giveaway, which we are giving away a very nice gift this month. Comes in a nice case. And it is a passport holder. It says Bon Voyage on the front. You place your passport in here. Also, there's a compartment here for change, and it's a nice leather passport holder. So Tashie, this is for you. Thank you, and happy birthday to everybody celebrating birthday in June. And once again, if you're celebrating your birthday in June, drop your day and month underneath this post in order to qualify to win the next Travel Swag giveaway. Thank you so much for watching.